So guys, first we're going to go into our BIOS. You want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find advanced startup. You want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then uefi firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. And we're now going to be in our BIOS. And now once you're in our BIOS, you want to look for something that says setup defaults. Or it might be saying reset BIOS, something along those lines. In my case, it says for me, setup defaults. We're all using different motherboards, so it's going to look different for you guys, but you want to find something such as setup defaults or reset BIOS. In my case, I need to press on F9, so my BIOS will reset. After I press on F9, I need to press on F10 to then save and exit. It's then going to take me back into Windows, and then my BIOS is going to be reset.